Hi everyone, this is Kid Vlogs, a Filipino actor based in Pinas, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Kita gawa natin the reaction video, ang opening prompt ng All Out Sundays. Excited ako. Sobrang excited ako mapanood to kung anong mga ganap nila dito for today's video. So yeah, isa natin to. Wait lang, may i-adjust lang ako. GG. Okay. Birthday pala ni Jillian. Ay ano naman, pasabog pa naman to pag mag-opening prompt. Masabog pa naman to pag mag-opening prompt. Ay, Power Impact Dancers. Okay. Diba pa naman to pag mag-opening prompt si Jillian? Pasabog kung pasabog. Okay. Ay. Okay. Ganda ng boses. Ganda ng boses niya. Uy! Iba siya, no? Iba ang atake ni Jillian. Ay. Alam mo yung kahit hindi siya yung typical na sexy na payat di ba? Kasi yung katawan niya pang ano talaga, parang Caucasian. Okay. Okay, ano tong kantang to? Okay. Wow! Look at that! Grabe, hataw kung hataw. Uy! Ang lala ni Jillian. Grabe. Total, ganda. Grabe. Wow! Okay. Grabe. What a total performer indeed. Ang lala. Lala ni Jillian, grabe. Ay, hindi mo kaya. Ay, aura. Aura kung aura siya, no? Loko, di mo kaya yan. Oh, ay. Okay. Star of the Jillian. Grabe, wait lang. Parang hindi ako makakita over sa kanyang birthday poll. Parang gusto ko pang ulitin ng isa. Ang ganda kasi I am thinking that this is a live performance, isn't it? I am really thinking that this is a live performance. But then again, ang lala ng kanyang execution. Ano mo yun? Sobrang ganda ng execution niya. Plus the facial expression. Plus ang vocals talaga. You cannot deny the fact na she is a really good singer talaga. Ang lala. Yung tipong alam mo yung ang dami niyang ginagawa pero wala kang maririnig na hingal. Isa pa nga. Ay, diba? Nag-loading na tayo for today's video. Yep. Ito na. Ang ganda ng facial expression pa niya. What's the title of this song? Gusto ko talagang malaman. Okay. Eh, can you sell my mind? Parang ganun, you know? Okay. Ay, ang ganda ko. Ang lala. Grabe si Jillian, parang pinakawalan na Blue Marlin sa aquarium. Totoo. Ilang taon na si Jillian? 20 na siya this year, right? Alam ko 20 na siya eh. Grabe. Did you see that? Did you see that? Grabe yung... Tapos kakanta. Grabe, ang ganda niya. Sorry. Ang ganda niya dito. Dito chill pa lang siya eh. Ha! Nagwawala si Jillian. Oh, grabe. Grabe ang lala ni Jillian. Sa totoo lang. Yes. She ate and left no crumbs, no? Literal. She ate and left no crumbs. Literal talaga. Ay, oh, grabe. Grabe yung execution. Okay. Grabe.
Star of the new gen, Jillian Ward with the Power Impact Dancers. Grabe naman yung performance.
Grabe. Power pack dancers. In fairness, grabe. Ang susunod natin dito is parang, what do you call this? BYO. One of my favorite P-pop group then. Together with Juniper. So yeah, yan muna. Bye.